Hello friends, this video on ray optics part 40 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 39 before going ahead with part 40. We reached towards the end of this refraction by prism. It is time to solve some problems based on whatever we learned so far. So let us look at this problem. The problem says a prism is made of glass of unknown refractive index. Okay. A parallel beam of light is incident on a face of the prism. The angle of minimum deviation is measured to be 40 degrees. That is, delta M is equal to 40 degrees. What is the refractive index of the material of the prism? The refracting angle of the prism is 60 degree. Refracting angle is nothing but angle of the prism. Okay, so now let us try to calculate the refractive index for the material of the prism. We have already seen that refractive index is given by sine A plus delta M divided by 2 divided by sine A by 2. So putting these values in this formula, we get sine 60 plus 40 divided by 2 divided by sine 60 by 2. So this is equal to sine 50 degrees divided by sine 30 degrees. So this comes out to be 1.532. So this is the refractive index of the material of the prism. Now the second part of the question asks, if the prism is placed in water, refractive index 1.33, predict the new angle of minimum deviation of a parallel beam of light. So now we have to calculate the new angle of minimum deviation if the prism is placed in water. So that means now here this mu was nothing but glass with respect to air. But in this case, the refractive index of prism, that is refractive index of glass with respect to water. So this would be refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. So this will be equal to sine A plus delta M dash divided by 2 divided by sine A by 2. So now if we put the values, we get mu G divided by mu W is equal to sine 60 plus delta M dash divided by 2 divided by sine 60 divided by 2. Now we know the value of mu G, that is mu glass, is given as 1.532, which we have calculated just now. That is 1.532 divided by mu water is given as 1.33. So this is equal to sine 60 degree plus delta M dash divided by 2 divided by sine 30 degree. So this we can solve it in this way. 1.532 divided by 1.33 into sine 30 degrees is equal to sine 60 plus delta M dash divided by 2. Or we can say that 60 degrees plus delta M dash divided by 2 is equal to sine inverse 1.532 divided by 1.33 into 1 by 2. So from this we find that delta M dash comes out to be 10.32 degrees. So this would be the new minimum angle of deviation. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.